1942 in the Walton General Hospital in Liverpool, where his mother Mary had worked as a nurse. At the time, Paul's father Jim was kept busy as a wartime volunteer firefighter. Besides working in the cotton trade, Jim McCartney was also a musician himself, who as a young man had led his own jazz and ragtime group called Jim Mac's Jazz Band. Jim encouraged his beloved eldest son to lead a musical life, giving young Paul a trumpet to play when he turned 14. But when Paul tuned into the exciting new sounds of rock and roll on Radio Luxembourg, he ditched the trumpet for a 15-pound Zenith guitar so he could play and sing at the same time, both of which he did fabulously. On October the 31st, 1956, life at 24th Lynn Road changed forever for Jim, Paul, and Paul's younger brother Mike, when Mary died suddenly of an embolism. The loss was profound. At that time, Paul was attending the Liverpool Institute, where he quickly became good friends with a younger schoolmate named George Harrison. So when Paul McCartney met John Lennon and realized how much they had in common musically, Paul suggested maybe this promising new band could use a little help from his guitar-playing friend, George.